Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold for a moment and slowly exhale. Now imagine yourself surrounded by a soft, warm pink light, a cocoon. This light is here to hold you, protect you, and remind you that you are safe. Take another deep breath in. As you do, visualize a cool, calming blue light flowing into your body. Feel it filling your lungs, soothing your mind, slowing your heart. As you exhale, release any tension and all fear. Let it melt away into the pink light that surrounds you. Keep breathing in this peaceful blue light and let go of all that no longer serves you. Silently affirm, I am safe. I am held. This moment will pass. Let the pink light embrace you fully, anchoring you in peace. One more deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself completely at ease. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. You are safe, you are in control, and you are okay.